What's going on, guys? This is your boy Mac the Trader, and welcome back to another video. So in this video we're going to be going over my day trade that I took on Thursday during the PM session. All right, we made a little over, you guys will be able to see it in the thumbnail, but we made a little over, what was it, $3,000 on that trade. Let's pull it up. Let's see. So I'm not on camera today. I just left the gym. I'm about to cook a little bit of food, but I want to knock this video out for you guys. So we made $3,500 for our investors on Thursday. And then we also have a trade set up on Friday, but I didn't necessarily take that trade setup. We'll go over it within this video, but because I didn't take it, I'm not going to make an entire video about it. So this was the trade that was taken on Thursday. All right. We broke it down within the free Discord community as well. If you're not a part of the free Discord community, feel free to leave a like on this video and then go ahead and head over to Mac Trading Academy and join in on the free Discord. Okay. When the course drops as well, those of you guys within the mentorship waitlist, okay, we'll open up the waitlist for you, and we'll be sending you guys all the information about that. You guys, the ones that are a part of the waitlist, you guys won't have to pay $99 a month as well. So if you want in on the mentorship program, if you want to learn how to, do this yourself, if you want to be mentored by myself and my team, it's a 3-month program. Join the waitlist, and we'll send out those applications, when we're ready to open it. So on Thursday, all right, we took a buy position after the overlap of the PM session. Okay, so we don't trade from 12 to 1 p.m., but then after 1 p.m., I'm comfortable with looking and trading a setup. All right, so as we can see here, okay, this is where we took our buy position. Those of you guys who follow me on Instagram, I posted this trade when price was like around this area here. I posted my entry and things like that to kind of show you guys, where we were at for the day as it relates to taking a Nasdaq position. It was a little bit of a headache as well because we didn't get a trade during the AM session at all, right? But then I sent out a Euro USD trade to the analysis community within the Discord, right? So they were up to 0.58% or something like that. But I had not yet taken a trade because I don't trade currencies. I trade equities. So we were still looking for a setup. All right, and then the PM session rolled around and we had a beautiful setup right here within this area. So we had our accumulation phase here, okay? Price then manipulated to the downside, and then we had a nice distribution first leg to the upside on this M1 time frame, right? Price came back down to our entry within the accumulation. All right, stops below the swing low here. All right, and then we were just looking for 2R on this trade here. All right, running in between 2 and 2.5 standard deviations of that manipulated range. All right, so this was very, very straightforward. Now we don't always target 2 to 2.5 standard deviations, but based on our calculation of this manipulated range here and this accumulated range here, all right, our projection was about 2.5 standard deviations. All right, however, I never go for anything less than 2R. Right, I always need at least 2R on my trades, so that's why it's set at 2R. So this was a very, very straightforward trade, very, very straightforward. And this pattern takes place every single day within the market. That's one thing that I want you guys to understand. So now let's look at Friday's trade. All right. All right, we actually had a buy position here as well. All right, for that run to the upside. All right, but because of certain reasons, based on the higher macro time frame, it would have been good to look for sells. All right, so we have this accumulated sell range here. Okay, price pushes to the upside, we manipulate, sweep buy side liquidity, then we have our break to the downside, and then price came back to our entry to tap us in. Now, like I said, I wasn't in this trade. I did not take this trade because, well, it was NFP, right? So I don't really trade all too much on NFP Fridays, to be honest with you guys. Try to stay out of the market. I didn't even send out an analysis on Friday for anything. But anyway, so this is, once you have access to the course information and the mentorship, all right, this is how you're going to be taking your trades as well. Return on this trade was 3.08R, very straightforward. And you're only in the trade for a couple of minutes, right? It's not like you're in the trade for, hours and, things like that. Like you were only in this trade for 24 minutes before it hit your target. All right. So it's not, you're not going to be stressed out for hours throughout the day, having to look at the charts, none of that. All right. You're simply just going to take these trades with confidence because my team and I here at Mac Trading Academy, we're going to teach you exactly how to do that. All right. With that being said, if you guys enjoyed this video and this breakdown, and once again, these videos are just to make, literally force the pattern into your mind, right? Force the pattern into your brain. And also, some of these setups look slightly different than others, okay? And when I break them down, any of the setups that I apply a slightly different nuance, I always say, right? So this is also, these videos are for you guys to learn. And if you do have any questions, join the Discord, ask. My team and I, we have you covered. With that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Much love and peace out.